Hi, it's Dabs here and welcome to Siok Media. I'm super excited to have you join me in this tutorial. If you operate an e-commerce store or you design e-commerce stores for your client, this video is for you. In this video, I want to walk you through a fantastic tool that can help you supercharge your WooCommerce store. When the WooCommerce store has over 170,000 plus active users trusting its tool, then you can be rest assured that this is not just hype. Join me as I unpack WP Factory over 65 plus plugins that will help you supercharge your WordPress e-commerce website, what they do and how you can lay your hands on this, and if this is worth a penny invested in it. Without further ado, I think let me take you to my screen and let's get started already. From the website here, their promise is to help you supercharge your WooCommerce store sales, and that's extremely important. Anything that will help you increase sales is extremely important. Our powerful plugin will help you streamline operations, optimize sales, and boost customer satisfaction. Let us help you unleash the true power of WooCommerce. Fantastic stuff here. They say 65 plugins, but on their store in reality, you'll get 71 plugins, and you can see over 170k active installations. You can come down here to read more about WP Factory and all of the plugins they have and exactly why you should choose them. You can see here clean coded plugins, premium support, bulk discount offer, seamless integration, documentation. You get a 14-day money back guarantee in case you invest in it and you don't like it. In 14 days, you're going to get your money back. Super cool stuff. Without wasting so much time, let's go through all of these plugins. So if I come to the next tab here, you can see on their store here, you can see that they have 71 results, and I have confirmed this to be true in my account here. Having access to this, it says all 65 plugin access, but if I count all of the plugins here, they are 71 in numbers. So that's you literally getting 71. That's if you go for their all plugin access. So let's go through their plugins, maybe not all of them, and let's see what they can do. And maybe you can test out one or two of them for you to see this. The first plugin here is a quantity limit manager. So you want to manage the minimum or the maximum quantity people buy on your store. WooCommerce cost of goods, product cost calculators. This plugin basically would help you calculate a product and also give them a calculator if they were to buy two. This is the amount it will cost. And the bit about these plugins listed here is that you can click into them. Maybe let's open up a new tab for you to know more about a specific product if you want to read more about it and you want to learn exactly what that product is about. So let's just come down here and let's see this. So from here you can see for TV mounting, if someone wants to probably buy a TV size of 42, they will be able to see the cost. And if you come down here, you see the regular price, sales price, and then cost calculation excluding tax, and then they can schedule and they can see the profit that they will gain if they buy a certain amount. This profit here is just easily just minusing the cost here excluding tax from the regular price, right? And you have your profit of 15 there. And super good stuff there. You can come down here, read more about this. And as a matter of fact, you can even test it out. I think there's a place here. Okay, yeah, for demo site here, you can click this and then it will launch a demo site where you can even log in there to see exactly what this plugin is about. And I think that's super awesome. Maybe that's even how we should experiment with this. And if you really want to see how this works, you can easily just click admin login. Then it will create a login for you to be able to possibly just check out the demo and see how this site works, right? Super cool, super awesome. I think I love how intentional this plugin is to make you see the demo of the product you want to buy, and this will expire in just 30 minutes. So it's a temporary site. You can see here, this is the URL of the website here, and then I have a username and my password. I can easily go here and I can just use the magic link here for me to go directly into the dashboard and then check out that feature. And that's it. So you can see here I'm inside the dashboard here and I have WP Factory already here, and then you can see I have cost of goods here. I really don't want to waste so much time here, so let's leave this place and then let's continue looking at all the plugins that they have. Okay, so I'll close this too as well. Let's close this too as well. Let's come back here. So this is the cost of goods. So let's close this two as well. So let's have space here. So this is it. So you can keep coming down here, maximum product per user for WooCommerce. So you can also have other minimum/maximum amount limits for WooCommerce. WooCommerce EU UK VAT numbers validation. If you want people to validate their VAT numbers. Customer email verification for WooCommerce. WooCommerce free shipping bar. WooCommerce payment methods by product and country. WooCommerce product XML feed manager. WooCommerce wish list. You can do multiple wish lists per customer. WooCommerce EAN barcode generator. Oh, super cool stuff there. WooCommerce pop-ups, cart, add to cart, checkout notices to pop-ups, whatever that means. Oh. And then you can see this will go on to second page, third page, fourth page, even to the sixth page. I really don't want to bore you with all of this, but this is cool. For these plugins here, you can buy them individually if you must, and then you can buy the all plugin access. I think I mentioned that earlier. If you want to buy just one of them, if you go to any of the plugins that you want to buy, if you scroll down, you should be able to see how much this is cost. So you can see for one of these here is $59.99 for 1 year and for a single site. So you can do unlimited sites, and then you can do lifetime and unlimited site, right? Super good stuff there for that plugin. But you can also do a 4 plugin bundle, which is recommended. And then you can also switch between a single site or unlimited site. And then you can see this will cost $100 and this will cost $150. You can pick any 4 plugins that you want, and you can add that to your checkout. That is super good. If you come to free, you would see the difference between the free, and that's the beauty about what I love about this plugin, that they have the free version, they also have the pro version. Like if you go to your WordPress website, you come to your plugins and you just search in WP Factory. Inside the WordPress repository here, you will see quite a number of plugins from them that is literally free. This plugin here is from WP Factory. Download plugins and themes in zip from dashboard, back to button widgets, a customer email verification for WooCommerce. You can try all of these plugins out at the free. If you like them, then you can then go for the pro, right? You can experiment with them. You can see the EN barcode generator for WooCommerce. You can see this one too here. Cost of goods, product cost. You can see that. Minimum max step quantity limit. We can see that. EU UK VAT validation manager for WooCommerce. You can see wish list for WooCommerce too as well. So you can see this one here. You can see quite a number of plugins that are from WP Factory here. You can see this. You can see all of these are free plugins from them. So from these, you can tell that this is a very serious company that are producing high-end quality plugins specifically for WooCommerce that will help you just get the hang of your WooCommerce store. This is beautiful. So you can still, the plugin is still going on here. This is fine, and I can still go to the next page. I have 68 items for us to see. This is to let you know that you can definitely still use all of their plugins at the free if you don't have money to invest for the pro. But if you really want to get access to all of their pro plugin, how much would that cost? So if you come down here and let's come to see their pricing. So if we come down, we will see that we can get our all plugin access for just $249. This is for 1 year and for unlimited sites. So in my opinion, this is just WP Factory just saying thank you. We appreciate people who invest in us, who trust us, who love our tool, because there is no way it makes sense to spend over $100 to buy maybe just 4 plugins, or maybe $60. That's $59.99, $60 to buy just one plugin with just one site license, and then I'm spending $249 to buy 1 year for unlimited sites. So I can even still go the lifetime for unlimited site, which is just $599. This is value for money, if you ask me. I love the plugin. So I did show you earlier. You can see investing in it, you can see that you have access to all of the plugins here, and they are not just random plugins. They are if you see from the file here, you see that they are the pro version of the free ones that you see in the WordPress repository. So this is you having unlimited access to all of their pro plugins. Super good plugin. So let me come back to this WordPress website here. I think let's come to installed plugins. I think I have installed one or two of those plugins here. You can see this one here. It says discussion tab for WooCommerce product pro. So this is by WP Factory. So if I come to maybe a random product here, so you see what the behavior is like for anyone who wants to buy this product. They have description, they have reviews, so people don't have the opportunity to have discussion or to maybe drop a comment about this product. That might just be a fantastic thing to do. So if you come here, discussion, I can activate this right now, and let's see if this will add that feature to our WordPress website. So if we come back here and then we do a refresh, you can see we now have an option here for discussion. So anyone who clicks into this can just come down here and they will see discussions that are going on about this product. So discussion should basically be different from reviews. People should be able to just discuss, ask questions, go back and forth, share ideas and thoughts about a particular product. This would help you facilitate sales or engagement for your product. And I think this is a fantastic plugin. It's just a random plugin I downloaded from the list of the 70 plugins they have there for me to download. Do I have another plugin here? I think I do. I'm not even sure if I can remember what the name of that plugin is. But again, we can still come here. Let's just look for any random plugin here that we can just download and use on our WordPress. We can just search. Okay, check out Field Editor and Customizer for WooCommerce. I think this is a fantastic plugin. Let's download this. And I have that already downloaded. I can come to this plugin here. Let's add a new plugin. Let's upload this plugin. So I'm just going to drag this here. Let's install this. Plugin installed. Let's activate the plugin. All right, so we now have this plugin here. Check out Field Editor and Customizer for WooCommerce. So now let's come to settings. Under WooCommerce settings, you see that we now have option here for core checkout fields. So if we just come down here, we can begin to edit things. So I'm not sure there's anything I want to change from here. Force field, sort by priority. But again, we can begin to look at things. Let's say, for example, if you sell to a particular country and you don't want to make people fill in countries anymore on your checkout store, maybe we should just come to our checkout store. Let's add this to cart and let's see the behavior first before we make any customization. Let's view cart and let's proceed to checkout. Okay, so this is our checkout page. Let's say, for example, we don't want this country here, which is the United States. We can just come back here and let's go to billing country. You can see enabled by default here. We can disable this, and then we can come down here and save changes. Let's come up here and let's refresh this, and then you can see that our country is gone from here. Super cool and easy. Let's say, for example, we don't want people to give us their phone number. I can just come back here. Do we have a place for phone number here? Let's search that. Billing phone. You can see we have that here. So I can come down here. I can just choose this to disabled. And then I can save my changes. And I can come back here. I can refresh this. And then you can see phone numbers gone. And that's it. That's how to use this. You can see super cool plugins there. Super awesome things you can do with this. Having access to over 70 plugins, 71 plugins in total for that ridiculous amount of money is a steal. And WP Factory is worth the check. So if you have a WooCommerce store for yourself, if you also design this for clients, investing in this would save you a ton and will make your work a lot easier. Going forward, I'm going to be testing out their plugins and I'm going to be doing more tutorials around their plugin, teaching you how to use them. So in case you are into WooCommerce, you love this, you want to see related content like this, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And of course, if you find value from this video, make sure to give it a like and make sure you drop a feedback about this plugin in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. And that's my time for this video. Thank you for watching. I remain Dabs. I'll see you in another one, and until then, take good care of yourself.